Welcome back, lovely people, to another video. So in today's Temu video, I'm going to be telling us about how you can earn from home. Are you a stay-at-home mom? Are you someone that just wants to make a bit of money on the side? Or are you a student? In fact, anyone can do this. Who doesn't want to earn money, no matter how small? Like, this can actually be a huge thing, not just a small thing. Anyways, the reason I'm making this video is for moms that cannot work at the moment. Maybe you just had the baby, or you're just taking care, you're a stay-at-home mom, and you can't work at the moment. I got you. Don't worry. You can actually make money from the Temu affiliate program. Temu advertises that you can actually make up to 100,000 euro monthly as an affiliate, and I kid you not, people are making such amounts. It's not even a lie. Like, even if you don't make up to 100,000, you can actually make thousands monthly. I mean, the beautiful thing about this is that you actually make money daily. All you need to do is get the right strategy on how to share your links and your code. Now, let me not rush into things. The first thing you need to do, of course, you have the Temu app. You should have the Temu app, okay? Now, the second thing is on the Temu search bar, search this code SEC 787028. All right, SEC 787028. Now, click on the search icon, and once you do that, it's going to sign you up as a Temu affiliate immediately. All right, do that, and it signs you up. Now, once it signs you up, of course, you have welcome gifts. You can be getting €2, $2, depending on the country you are at, all right? You'll be getting some little welcome gifts here and there as a new affiliate, all right? They welcome you, make you feel comfortable. Go ahead, and you'll be given little tags to share your code or your link to your social media platforms, and then you get a little something. Just spend time on the app. Now, if you want me to do an in-depth video to walk you through on how to actually familiarize yourself with the Temu affiliates side of the Temu app, I'm going to do that. But just, go on and familiarize yourself. It's very easy and straightforward. It's not even complicated, I promise you. Just go on, make sure you share your code every day to all your social media platforms. Even if you don't have followers, just do it, all right? Now, another way I'm able to make money is this: sharing my code or my links on TikTok. I mean, TikTok has been a game changer in this business. Yes, for me, it's a business and I don't joke with it. It's been a game changer. Just do a little video, just as I'm doing about Temu now, and make sure to put your links and your code the way I am doing also in this video. You're going to see my links and my code in the video, as well as in my description box, in my comment section. The secret here is this: if you really want to succeed as a Temu affiliate, you want to be able to cash out thousands, €1,000 or even more, or even make up to 100K. I mean, that's my goal. Just send your link out, okay, to as many people as you can. Now, when someone downloads the app with your link or your code, or places an order using your link or your code, you get money, you get commission, okay? And Temu have really high commissions, all right? You can get as high as 7.5%, 15%, 30%. Yes, I mean, when I started, it starts small. Then with time, your percentage grows. The percentage you get for your commission grows. I mean, that has been my own experience. So yes, share your link. You can use Pinterest, use TikTok, use all your social media platforms, share it. You can also share items, products. And when people buy those products using your affiliate link for those products, you get something. That's just it. Just do what an affiliate does. Market the product, share your link and your code. And that is just it, nothing else. And of course, I commit everything to the hands of God, and He's the one that's been making this touching the minds of people to use my code. That's my belief. So, and I know it is working for me. I just really wanted to share this because I feel and I know it's going to be beneficial to someone, even if it's one person that actually goes ahead to sign up as an affiliate and then puts in the work. You actually have to be serious, put in the work, and your effort is going to yield results. Okay, I'm assuring you. Anyways, if you've gotten value from this video, please like, share, comment, leave a comment in the comment section, and let's discuss. If you're confused about anything, you can ask me questions in the comment section of this video, and I'll be willing and ready to answer you. All right? I wish you all the best and start making that Temu money. There's a lot of money to be made on the Temu app as an affiliate. Don't dull, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.